O Lord, open my lips so that my mouth may declare your praise. Blessed are you, Lord our God and God of our fathers, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. You are almighty, great, and powerful. You are awesome, who bestows kindness and possesses everything. You who remembers the faith of the patriarchs and brings a redeemer to their descendants for the sake of his name with love. You are our King, helper, deliverer, and shield. Blessed are you, Lord, the shield of Abraham. Lord, open my lips so that my mouth may declare your praise. You are mighty forever, my Lord. You are the resurrector of the dead and the powerful one to deliver us. You are the sustainer of the living with kindliness, and the resurrector of the dead with great mercy. You are the supporter of the fallen, healer of the sick, and releaser of the imprisoned. You are the faithful to those who sleep in the dust. Who is like you, master of mighty deeds? And who can be compared to you? King who causes death and restores life, and causes deliverance to sprout forth. O Lord, open my lips so that my mouth may declare your praise. You are holy and your name is holy, and holy beings praise you every day, forever. For you are a great and almighty King. Great and holy are you. Blessed are you, Lord, the Almighty, the Holy One. Lord, open my lips so that my mouth